Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Johnson, your physiotherapist. Welcome back to our recovery series. Before we begin, make sure you watch this complete video so you fully understand today's treatment techniques and exercises.
Excellent. If you're serious about healing your lower back pain the right way, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment if you have any questions.
Just gently tilt your pelvis towards the ceiling. Like this.
Yes.
Perfect. And now relax. Push your knee gently into my hand. 5 seconds. And relax.
I feel pressure but no pain.
I'm checking your ASIS and pelvic rotation. Relax your legs. Now you feel where it's 4-0.
Is my pelvis still misaligned?
Yes, there's a mild anterior rotation on the right side. We'll correct it now.
The upper auricular should be getting low phase, as the lows as well. Perfect. That means we're engaging the correct muscle group.
Place your hand on your lower abdomen. Now gently draw your belly inward, like tightening a belt.
Stud lines and your lats fat.
Oh, I feel deep muscles working.
Yeah. Yes, that's your transverse abdominis, your natural back brace.
Extend opposite arm and leg. Hold for 5 seconds.
Now, if you have that far hyperextension lat, it's harder than it looks.
That's because your stabilizers are waking up.
Consistency is key. Pain relief isn't magic, it's science and discipline.
Now gently tilt your pelvis, pressing your lower back into the table.
Good. Okay, like this.
Do these daily. Hydrate well. Avoid prolonged sitting. And remember, healing happens with consistency.
So for the updated home exercises, the first one is going to be a side plank, 15 seconds each side. All right, let's start with the side plank, 15 seconds each side. Keep that core engaged.
Next session will advance into functional movement retraining and strength progression.